Arjun tank's 120 rifled gun works with ATGM. New Delhi, India continues to test the penetration capability of the 120mm gun on the Arjun tank. Another test was carried out on August 4, when the tank fired an ATGM, also of local production. The 120mm gun unified with the British L11, L30 guns is problematic for the tank. This gun is one of the biggest problems of this vehicle, so implementing an ATGM gun can increase its ability to destroy enemy tanks. The effector itself is not named and information about its specification is rudimentary. It is known to have been created thanks to the collaboration of local industry with the DRDO and to use of a tandem cumulative warhead. This is another test of this rocket. The Arjun's primary armament, due to its proximity to British serrated tank guns, currently lacks modern anti-tank ammunition that could easily penetrate the frontal armor of many tanks. It is not known what resistance the most modern Chinese tanks have, so the introduction of a barreled ATGM will probably have greater penetration, equaling that of conventional tank ammunition. Features of Arjun's 120mm gun. Arjun Mk2 has an integrated 120mm cannon that can fire a very large set of ammunition, SAPs, fin-stabilized armor-piercing discarding sabot, HESH, high-explosive squash head, PCB, TB, and the Israeli laser anti-tank missile, Lahat. Interestingly, the cannon is equipped with a thermal sleeve, smoke extractor, and barrel orientation system. The used ATGM is Nag. The most likely laser-guided anti-tank missile used was the Nag, an Indian anti-tank missile developed for air and ground platforms. Depending on the launch platform, the missile has two names: Nomika, Nag missile carrier, if launched from land platforms, as is the case, and Helena if launched from a helicopter, Nag Helicopter Launch. Nag is a third-generation anti-tank guided missile in the style of shoot and forget, which can be fired at targets in both direct strike mode and top attack mode. Although it can fire day and night in a variety of weather conditions, it can also attack conventional armored battle tanks as well as explosive jet armored main battle tanks. About Arjun MBT. In recent years, the Indians have managed to seriously reward their old version of the Arjun MBT to get today's 120mm Arjun Mk2. India unveiled the Arjun Mk2 for the first time in 2014 in February during a military parade in the capital, New Delhi. Bahrain 6 MBT, 120mm Arjun Mk2 with Israeli all-wax is an option. The tank is powered by a 10-cylinder V90 turbocharged diesel engine with charge cooling and water cooling. This engine provides the Arjun Mk2 with 1030 kilowatts at 2400 revolutions per minute. With a full tank of fuel, the tank can travel up to 500 kilometers, and the maximum speed it reaches is 50 kilometers, h on the road and 40 kilometers, h on cross-country terrain, including off-road. The armor of the tank is an Indian production Type ERA, explosive reactive armor. Experts believe that it is equivalent to the Russian armor Contact 5 with which the Russian T-90 is equipped. Interestingly, the Arjun Mk2 has a custom-made laser warning and response system, ALWACS, developed in collaboration with the Israeli company Elbit Systems, which is installed on each side of the dome. In addition, the tank has modern optics and an automatic device for sifting the target,